Thank you. The next speaker is the Asian Center for Human Rights. You have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson. We welcome the opening of the OHCHR Country Office in Bangladesh. We believe that technical cooperation actions of the OHCHR, even without country resolutions, ought to be brought on the floor of this Council. The OHCHR had conducted the fact-finding mission in Bangladesh last year, and it found credible evidence of international crimes, including crime against humanity. However, that said report of the OHCHR was not placed before the session of the Council, and we believe that a side event is not adequate to address this kind of issues. The OHCHR Country Office in Bangladesh at this point of time must publicly speak human rights violations in the country to uphold the rule of law, including against the killing of indigenous peoples at Guimara village on 20th September 2025, as well as 49 attacks on the places of worship of the Hindu minorities during the Durga puja recently. If the OHCHR maintains silence and doesn't speak up on these issues, despite being present in the country, it will erode the faith of the victims on the OHCHR and raise questions about the OHCHR's impartiality and objectivity. And finally, we believe that OHCHR should extend technical assistance to the government of Bangladesh to investigate such as killings of the indigenous peoples in the Chittagong Hill Tracts on 20th September, because the government of Bangladesh has never conducted such an inquiry. Thank you, Madam Chairperson.